Using an economy wax ring increases the risk of toilet leaks because it often lacks sufficient thickness, resilience, and a proper mold to form a reliable seal between the toilet base and the flange. A premium seal works by compressing into the gap between the toilet horn and the flange, so a rigid plastic mold or diverter that centers the seal and channels waste away from the flange is essential to maintain integrity over time. Always inspect flange height before installing. If the flange sits below the finished floor by more than 1/4 inch, choose an extra thick wax ring or add a flange spacer to prevent undercompression and crevice gaps. When setting the toilet, lower it straight down without rocking so the wax compresses evenly and you do not create pinhole channels that leak under pressure. After the bolts are snugged, rock the bowl gently by hand to test for movement, then retorque bolts in small increments to avoid cracking the porcelain or disturbing the seal. If the flange is corroded or the toilet flange bolts spin, replace or repair the flange before relying on any wax ring, since a stable flange is part of the seal system. For installations where the flange sits above floor level, trim excess wax after compression is not acceptable, so use a ring designed for raised flanges with a plastic collar to protect the wax from extrusion. The 3 most common mistakes are using a thin economy ring on an offset or low flange, over-tightening or under-tightening the toilet bolts, and installing a ring without checking flange condition first. If a thin ring is used, it will undercompress or tear, so swap to a premium, extra thick ring with a plastic mold that centers and protects the wax. If bolts are mishandled, they either crush the wax or allow movement, so tighten evenly in small steps and test for wobble before finishing. If the flange is damaged or loose, any ring will fail, so repair or replace the flange and ensure bolts are solid before seating the bowl. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare options related to bathroom repairs and plumbing work. We also help contractors find project leads and connect with homeowners, and our site includes an active discussion community where users and pros share tips and troubleshooting advice.